So these are really hard to drive. I've struggled in practice. They're really hard. So difficult. Anyway, we're starting in single file. I think everyone decided let's start in single file, which is probably a good idea. We'll wait for it to go green. Pace car's off. I think we're probably going now.
Green flag.
So it's just a matter of getting through this first lap. Cold tyres. Got a decent start. Not too close behind. Just getting stopped into all of these hard braking areas on this first lap. Cold tyres. Christ, even then. I mean, I was slowing down
You'll have to slow down
so much earlier than I normally would, and yet so little grip. Christ, it's just not turning at all.
Right side. Stay on the left. Keep to the left.
Okay, well, we've lost a bit of time there, haven't we? Let's get going.
Right
See what we can do.
Stay on the left.
Okay.
Keep to the left.
See if we can catch up. So we've lost a fair bit of time here.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear. Car right. Clear on the right.
Okay, well, they've gone through. And when the tyres are better, I'll be fine.
On the right.
Yeah, somebody's off already. I think I've got a decent bit of pace. By qualifying, I could have gone quicker, but I made a mistake. I guess everyone can say that, but I think I've got some pace, so I just need to get past these guys. That really, I underestimated how bad it was going to be on that first lap. That was worse than I expected.
Slow down.
Really?
Penalty. We're cutting the cord.
I don't think so. Okay, we'll drop it at the next corner, I think. We'll brake extra early. Try to anyway. There we go. Get back after them then. See what we can do.
Você é nice, José. Parabéns.
You know who he's talking to? Just about got stopped, didn't we? Okay, let's get after him then. Dropping back a little bit here. That's for a bad start. Just so little grip. It's incredible. Incredible. Yeah, really not nice to drive, I don't think.
Slow down.
Christ, to cut a penalty. And lots of penalties here.
You have no rear wing, Ian.
Oh dear. Somebody's in trouble. So I've got to lose this time somehow. Here we go. Okay. Penalty after penalty at the moment, isn't it? Starting to work a bit better now, that. better through there as well. See if we can do anything about these guys.
Did you cross for your P2 or no?
Keep in the middle so we get the extra speed from the crest of the road. I don't know if it makes a difference, but it's supposed to. Okay, we just got stopped there. Well, this is not going how I'd hoped, to be honest. I thought I'd be a bit quicker than this.
These are lively cars.
I thought I'd be a bit closer to those ahead, but it's just not working out, is that?
Yeah, I don't understand what's happening with the P2. They were, in the second lap, he was in 14th behind me, and after I see it was running into...
Oh my god, not another penalty.
He dropped it in the final chicane and went into the wall backwards.
So I've got to lose this time somehow. Have I lost it? Yeah. It's cost me a bit of time though.
Left side.
Now, what's this guy going to do?
Still there. Still there. Clear on the left.
Well, I'm not getting the sort of speed I was hoping for here. How long have we got? It's only a 15-minute race, isn't it? We're halfway through already. Ugh, not good. Can I improve? Maybe. So I need to be a bit more careful through the chicane, don't I? 'Cause that's where I got my last penalty. I haven't had a penalty-free lap yet, have I? It's a bit better. This time around, I'm not trying to lose some time. Yeah, I'm a bit slower than I thought I'd be here. I did a few laps of practice, not that many, because obviously it's a long old lap. But I thought I'd be a little bit quicker than this. So 1.5 seconds behind this guy. Can we do anything to close up? At least we got through with no penalties that time, even though we nearly crashed.
Five minutes to go. Car on your left, clear.
It's going to hit me then. When we close in at all. Everyone behind seems to be quicker, don't they? I don't know why. Is that my imagination? Got that wrong. I was in the wrong gear. So I need a good run through the push curves, otherwise I'm going to be in trouble.
You got
Somebody's
a
off.
car on the left.
Okay. Can we do anything about them?
You've got about 5 laps of fuel. There's an incident behind. White flag, 1 more lap to go.
Okay. Looks like we've lost whoever was behind us.
52.942.
We can get a slipstream, that'll help us.
So
Gosh.
sorry, Ramon. So sorry.
You got that corner, and got a slow down penalty.
Bloody yeah, another slowdown. Well, I need to use the slipstream, but I'm not going to catch this guy otherwise, am I? So, what am I going to do about the slowdown? I've had it now, haven't I? Bugger.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 2.8.
Well, I'd have got disqualified if I hadn't done that. So that has not worked. Got someone else coming up quick. This has not worked at all. My goodness. I said these cars were tricky. I didn't think it'd be this bad though. Guess I'm not crashing, am I? But I'm just getting penalty after penalty here. Hopefully I've got enough to stay ahead of this guy. And I'll get a top 10 at least. But yeah, not good. Not good. Not my prettiest race. Really tough car this. And a difficult track for it as well, so we're going so quick.
Rafa, ya sé que no querías darme, pero tío, frena, ¿sabes? Aguanta.
a bit better. Oh, he has closed in. I thought I got enough though to keep ahead.
Yeah.
Are there going to be any issues on the last few corners, I wonder? So much power and not enough downforce, this car. Makes it very tricky to drive.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 49.547.
GG, Chris. GG, everyone.
Is that another penalty? Yeah. Look
They
at that.
see you cut
Yeah,
the
good
course.
racing,
You'll have
yeah.
to slow down and give up the time gain.
Oh,
Stopped on the right. You got the black flag. They see you cut the course. They're going to hold you for a while.
oh my
All
goodness.
right, there's the checkered flag.
Where did we end up? I don't know, but let's look at the incidents. Okay, then, so this was the start. We all got away. I was doing okay at the start, but just no grip at all. So, first accident then. What's going on? Yeah, easily done. Oh, yeah, they're just really tricky. Really tricky. Then what have we got? Just going to hit the wall. Yeah, thought they might. And then what's this going to be? Trying to do too much. Yeah, that was one of the leaders. Lost his wing. And then he's going to go off, isn't he, with no rear wing? There we go. Yeah, it's bound to happen. And what have you got? Yeah, this is a tough corner to get right. Oh, damn. He's going to hit the wall. Yeah, so that's me ahead, I think, trying to get past this green car. That's me ahead again, isn't it? So he's just gone off. Right, so he was following, wasn't he? That's what happened to him. And then, oh, unlucky. Unlucky. Yeah, unlucky, that was. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. And then what? Hit the wall. Yeah, just touch the wall. And then this is going to be... Oh. Well, that was a pretty soft crash, wasn't it? Blimey. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. Okay, then, so that was top split out of 3. I managed to gain some safety rating, which is good. Lost a little bit of iRating, though. Best lap for 3:49. I think we managed to 3:52. We're all the way down here. So 12th we ended up because we got the black flag. 3:52. Yeah, so not too far away, but yeah, not enough grip at the start, and I completely underestimated that. I should have done more to warm the tyres up, I guess. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit a like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.